Forget prompt engineering. In 2026, the real money is in agent ops. This is the #1 career shift of the year. Companies are moving beyond chatbots. They are building autonomous agent workforces that think and act on their own. Enter the MIQ, the Machine Intelligence Quotient. It's the new 2026 standard that replaces your resume with proof of AI literacy. Agent ops specialists don't write code. They monitor, audit, and improve the logic of these digital employees. From retail to healthcare, these agents are everywhere. And someone needs to be the human in the loop to guide them. The best part? You can pivot today. Focus on learning agent governance and MIQ evaluation. The 2 skills recruiters want right now. Able just launched 6 industry-specific agent solutions. The demand for operators is skyrocketing. Are you ready for the jump? The agentic shift is here. Don't be the worker replaced by AI. Be the operator who leads it. Subscribe to NextStep AI.